Hi everybody, Ian from Global Air Supplies. I'm down at One Stop's Cannock store again. Just going to go through the launch of a new Phresh Hyperfan version 2. So we start with the non-silence version. This is available in 6, 8 and 10. There is a 12 and a 4 and a 5 on its way, but that's going to be around about the summertime. What you get, or what you see the difference is, on the unit now we have an IEC connector, which means you can extend your power cord for as long as you want. It comes with a 2 metre lead. If you want to extend it, just buy an extra 5 metre length IEC cable and you're done. You see on this side, instead of a 3-pin connector, we've now got an RJ12. I'll talk about a little bit more about the RJ12 when I talk about the silence fan, but basically it makes it a lot easier to connect to multiple different controllers. Also, there's more power coming out of this now. There's more pressure, so when it's under pressure it moves more air, and it runs on 0 to 10 volts, so that means it will work on any other gas controllers. Go to the silence version. As you see, this looks a little bit different. You'll see we've got the hanging brackets on here now. Again, you've got your IEC connector, comes with a 2 metre cable, and you've got your RJ12. So I'm going to go in a little bit more detail on this one so you can see what I'm talking about. Quite easy, just plug your power lead in, connects in, nice and safe, not a problem. Disconnect it and you can extend that quite easily. Now this is the RJ12. So in the box, you get a 5 metre RJ12 cable, and you get the dimmer that everybody's used to. Plug the cable directly in, plug this directly into the controller, and there you have a controllable Hyperfan version 2. Difference on the controller, this will actually go down to 0% all the way up to 100, where before the old Hyperfan only went down to 35, sometimes caused you a little bit of an issue with positive pressure. We've cured that now we can go down to 0. If you want to attach this to a Gavita controller, literally disconnect the con. This also comes in the box. This is the Gavita attachment. Plug that straight in. That will then plug directly into Gavita controller. Nothing extra needs to be doing, plug it straight in. The great thing about these fans is now that the 0 to 10 volt, it means that it will work on all gas controllers. The only thing you need is basically pack 16, which comes like this. And what we've got here, we've got an RJ12 to the 3-pin that you're used to seeing on a gas controller. Again, connect the cable, connect this directly into the adapter, plug this directly into a gas controller. Really easy to use. You've got so much more control over these fans now that they'll work on all the gas controllers. The new Hyperfan Silence version 2, hanging brackets, a new look body, you've got your IEC connector, and you've got your RJ12. Great little fan, really well built. We now build these. We now look after all the quality control. They're all built in our factory. Any information, jump on One Stop's website or put down to the Stoke store or the Cannock store. These are already in stock. Cheers guys.